Can you hear the peepers? Only those wee little people that can sail around these bogs in their little boats. I wish I could jump into those little boats and go in search of the peepers. And there goes Mikey, and he's gonna go look for them. He'll never find them though. There he goes. My dearest, sweetest Mike. See, they stopped. There's an intruder in their land, but they'll come back as soon as Mikey leaves. And there he comes. Bye-bye. Okay, little peepers, it's all safe now. So safe. Mike's left, and there's one coming back.